He says, my battery won't start.
What happened to your car, Chaz? What happened to the Sting? The battery what?
Alternator.
The battery in the what?
Alternator.
Why don't you speak clear? Alternator?
So then I'm driving him home, and his mom called, and she didn't have a car. So we came back.
So you went and took him.
Yeah, I come back. We went and got it.
You didn't run?
This is why I'm like,
How long did the surgery take?
Not very long. About an hour.
What do you do with the Sting now, man?
Chaz, you can take the cotton out. Are you ready? Let's dump it out. Here. I'm bringing you a...
Chaz. Hey, what are you going to do about the Sting, man? Kill it? Why'd you kill it?
His love of his life, he's going to kill it. Here, dude. Chaz, sit up. Ready? Oh. Okay, don't make it. Careful with him.
Yeah, sit back. Hey, why would you kill your Sting?
I need to change the battery.
I can actually understand you now.
He doesn't have cotton in his mouth.
Then your head back. Then your head back. So.
When he had the hiccups earlier.